Hey everybody, Cory Meyer here, and check out our newest listing right here in North Redding, California, right by Simpson College. This home has it all. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 master suites upstairs, and 2 bedrooms downstairs. Great floor plan, you're gonna love it. On the back, you've got views of Mount Lassen and Mount Shasta. Looking over a beautiful backyard, swimming pool, large hot tub, gazebo, huge yard, and you've got RV parking with gated entry. Check this home out, you're gonna love it. If you're interested, scan the QR code or click on the link below.